Hello, hi everyone. I'm
Hi.
sorry I was late. I had another meeting. I just wrapped it up. Good to see all of you. So we all know that rate have been dropping, right? And it is a rate time for most of us. We've been waiting for this for the past 2 years. And personally, I still originate and my production have increased about 40%. Um, I will share with you in today's webinar. I will share with you about me, about how I do business, about Loan Factory, how we can help you. I want you to really compare. I want you to think about your business, how you can grow your production. And now is the time. Now is the time to change, to improve, to get better. If you don't improve now, when you going to improve, right? When will you grow your production and become a successful loan officer? Now is the time. So I want you to think carefully with what I say. Compare what Loan Factory offer you versus your company right now or any other company out there. You should expect the best. You should expect the company, whoever you work with, have to help you, have to make sure you can be successful. Okay? So I want you to compare, aware of what's going on. Things have changed so much out there. We are not the same as 2 years ago, 4 years ago. Everything changed so fast with technology, with the competition. Everything have changed. You look at the direct lender. A lot of lenders now offer brokerage. They have to change in order to survive, right? A direct lender now, when you talk to their loan officer, they said they can broker, they can work with any lender. They're not like before. You know, things have changed and every one of us have to change so that we can adapt, we can grow our business. If you don't change, if you don't try to improve, you fall behind. Okay? So in this webinar, I will share as much as possible. And I want you to ask a lot of questions. I want you to think so much related to yourself. And any question that you want to raise, you go ahead and raise your hand. Ask. You know, this is your opportunity to explore, to find out, to come up with different idea. Yeah. Hi, Nadia.
Yeah, hi, Thwan. I'm confused. Is this webinar for someone to become a loan agent or someone to be a recruiting agent?
Oh, both.
Both.
No
Okay.
matter what, no matter what, you want to be a good loan officer, right? You here, you want to be a good loan officer, you want to be successful. You want to learn from me, right? So that's why you are here. And even if you want to be a recruiter, how can you be a good recruiter if you don't understand your loan officers, right? So we're here to learn, okay? So I will share with you my screen. I will show you our website. Basically, my website will do the work for me. It helped me talk to the client. It helped me persuade the client. It helped me quote the rate. It helped me take application. So my website is my secret. It helped me close so many loans. It helped me get so many clients. And I want to build you a website like this for all of you. So when you join Loan Factory, you will have this website. Okay? Technology is critical. If you don't have technology, how can you compete? Right? Without a weapon, it's hard to win. Look at the war with Russia and Ukraine. Who have better technology will win, right? So that's why we invest a lot in technology. I'm going to show you our technology. Hi, Riley.
How do we drive traffic to the website?
Yeah. So can we hold off that question to the end? So basically, if you have any question that unrelated to what I'm talking about, then wait to the end. When we wait to the end, I answer all questions, any question. But I just want you to allow me time so that I can present to you without interruption. Of course, when I mention something, like the $1,000 lowest rate guarantee, and you have question about this, then I want to hear from you. Okay? Thank you, Raleigh. Thank you. So on this website, you can see right away this $1,000 lowest rate guarantee. And if you look around the entire US, there's not many company or loan officer there to launch this program. Nobody there to advertise that they have the best rate, and that is illegal as well. You cannot advertise that you have the lowest rate or the best rate. However, you can run a program like this, and the program is we have term and condition here. So the borrower can give us the loan estimate, and if we cannot meet that deal, we will tell them to close the loan with that company, and we will pay them $1,000 if they send us the CD with the same term. So the borrower can upload and give us the LE here. So this is a program that we rolled out more than a year ago, and so far it's great. So far we have not lost any money. And when you join Loan Factory, you can promote this program. You can tell the whole world that you have this program. You can tell your realtor and your clients. That's why you can impress them. And let's say you promote this program and your client come up with the client give you LE that you cannot beat, then we will step in and help you. If we cannot beat that, the company will pay $1,000. You don't have to pay. That's how we help you. Okay? We exclude the builder lender and jumbo loan. We only go with 30-year, the fixed loan, conventional FHA, VA, and USDA. So those are the loan program that we guarantee. Any question about this? Hey, Daryl, you have a question?
Purchase or refinance?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. What is the comp plan set at for this to be, I assume the comp plan is going to be set really low in order to be able to make this offer, right? So it is like a 1%.
So basically, as Loan Factory, you earn 100% commission minus a flat fee. So we are a flat fee model. Our business is a flat fee model. You, as an independent loan officer, you earn 100% commission that you make on the loan, minus a flat fee of $5.95.
Yeah, but I'm saying if you're going.
Hold on 1 second. I need to explain that. So you can make 100% commission, and whatever that commission is, you will decide. So you are allowed to earn up to 250 bps outside of California. Inside California, 200 bps. So depend on situation. If you need to compete, then you have to lower your compensation, right? And in a competitive situation, you might have to lower to 100 bps or 50 bps or even 25 bps, whatever it is, so that you can win. And I think right now, all of us are doing that. All of us do not want to lose client, right? If we need to compete, all of us are willing to lower our cost so that we don't lose the client. So same thing here. When you have a client, you can charge 200 bps. And if the client come back to you and show you an LE that require you to lower your comp to 85 bps, you have to do that. So now you can ask me more questions, Alfonso.
Okay, so let's say it's like an ITIN loan, right? Where those are very difficult. And then I don't want to do the loan for that person because maybe, they requires too many trade lines. It's just a big goose hunt to go work with those people. And then they go close it somewhere else. Can they upload their LE and say, hey, I got a better deal, and then you guys would pay the $1,000, or what are the restrictions on this?
Yeah, so we have the restriction here. I just said earlier, we only honor conventional loan, conforming loan, no jumbo. We have it here, conventional conforming loan, no jumbo, no high balance. We also honor FHA, VA. So on non-QM, we don't honor that.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, I will continue. So when you join Loan Factory, we will give you our software for free. So that means you don't need to buy or subscribe to Arrive or Lending Pad. You don't need to subscribe to Loan Shifter. So basically, you don't need to pay for software anymore. It's free. Right now, as other company, most people have to pay for it every month. And our software is better than all other software out there. Okay. You will receive training from me as well. I provide training almost. We provide marketing support. So every week we send out about 40, at least 40 images, marketing image, so that you can customize. We will customize for you, so that you have the collateral to post on your social media. If you record a video, they can help you edit the video. If you need to run an ad, they can help you run an ad. So the marketing support is free. Hi, Riley. Hello, Riley. You have a question?
Hello, no.
Can we see an example?
Example of the marketing support?
Just a general Facebook post, what it looks like.
Yeah, you can go to Facebook. You can follow me. You can look at my or the company page. See, here's one example. I posted the Vietnamese language, but you can see here. You can see my personal post. You can see my personal post. I post a lot. It's loading so slow. See, I post this program. This is also another program that since I wrote it down, I blast my client. I got about 30 new applications already. So most company out there, most loan officer out there cannot promote this program. So when you join Loan Factory, you can promote to your clients and realtor the rate of 3.625. Nobody else there can promote this. Not nobody, but not many people. This is a rocket program. And since most loan officers out there are work for the bank or lender or European, they cannot promote this. So I can promote this program and I win so many clients. So many people want to have this low rate. So they email me, they say, hey, Tuan, can I do refinance as well? And then there you go, I get a client, refinance client. And then people keep reaching out because they see that 3.625 rate and they love it. So you can see a lot more. I will show you later on, tons of marketing material. And our marketing material is so impressive. You will love it later on, you see it. And then we also provide a free underwriting support. So for example, you need help with a complicated loan. You cannot calculate the DTI. Then our underwriter will jump in and calculate for you. So if you have a non-QM loan that you don't know which loan program you should go with, you don't know which lender you should go with, you don't know what is the rate, then you can ask our underwriter. They can help you. And it's free. They are available to talk to you live too on our marketplace. They can, later on you can see more example. You can see a lot more example. We do not use any other software. I see someone ask about, do we use Encompass? We do not use any other software. No Encompass, no Lending QB, no Lending Pad, no Helix Point, no Arrive. We use our own software. We don't charge any monthly fee, no desk fee, no junk fee. You close loan, you pay us a flat fee. We don't even have the minimum production requirement. Every loan you close, you pay us $595 flat fee and $500 in-house processing fee. Our processor do most of the work, more work than third-party processor out there. We take the loan. When the loan is ready to be submitted, they will submit the loan, they will register the loan, they will issue disclosure, they will bring the loan all the way to fund it for you. You only need to monitor the lock rate and lock rate for the client. That's it.
Can we use our own processor?
No, because of compliance. Your processor must be licensed. Yeah.
So no third-party processing.
Yeah, we have some third-party processing company, but most of them charge a lot more, and they do not as good as we are.
Okay, but bottom line is you do not allow it.
We allow third-party processor, but then we have to approve them.
Okay,
Yeah, in-house processing 500 only. So everything we do is better. Remember that sentence. Everything we do better than everyone else out there. I'm proud of that.
How many underwriters do you currently have staffed, and how many processors do you have staffed?
We have 5 underwriters, and we have around almost 60 processor.
Okay. You mentioned that there's a underwriting help desk. Is there a time when are the times that they're available and when they're not available? So I'm sure it's not like a 24-hour helpline, but is it
Yes.
Pacific time or is it standard times?
Yes.
Central
Yes.
time?
So let me show you our marketplace. We do everything better than everyone else out there. Therefore, everything we do is also different and better. So our company is completely a different company. And that's why everything we do is also different. So here you can go to the marketplace. When you log in, you go to marketplace, and you can see that we have 212 lenders. You can see any of one of them. You can type it in. Okay, you can type in and you can see. On top here, you can see we have 5 lenders who are live. So you can talk to the AE anytime during business hour. So when you log in, you can see some lenders are live. You can talk to them live. So we have AE to support you live. You can go to Loan Factory here. We have 3 types of support here, live support. So right now we have an underwriter live to talk to you, and their schedule is this. We have a support specialist live to talk to you and help you. So we have these 2 types of live support to help you. And in case that you off hour, you can create a ticket. You can create a ticket. So that create an escalation ticket here. So you can assign a ticket to any department, marketing department, credit upgrade, LO support, underwriting, so accounting. You can create a ticket, and the department will get back to you. Okay, so you can pick on. They have the turn time, they have department hours, and all that. Okay.
Yeah, what is the turnaround time for, say, processing if we submit a loan? What's the turnaround?
So we have turn time of 4 hours to submit the loan, and we have a turn time of daily. The processor have to touch the loan daily, every day.
Mm-hmm.
So when they touch the loan, they need to write a note. They need to update the status. They have to push the loan forward every day. So
Okay.
and you can reach out to them anytime. They are your assistant. So
Okay.
when you work with the client, you're supposed to tell the client that I have an assistant, the processor. That processor will help me working on your loan. So if you have any question, of course you work with my assistant, but you can also work with me. So that way you tell your client that, hey, you're not working with me alone. There's a team that help you, and the
Okay.
client will help you even more.
Perfect.
And we give you one processor to work with. That way you get to know each other well,
Okay.
and so there's no confusion. Okay, thank you. Judy, you have a question?
I do. Good afternoon. So the email that you're sending out, which I got, and it shows a 3.62521 buy down. Are you quoting off of Rocket?
Yes. Here, let me show you.
That's okay.
There's a lot I can show you. Here's our pricing engine, right? We have non-QM pricing engine and QM pricing engine. So in this case, I can quote a purchase, right? I can quote a purchase in Houston, Texas, right? Everything look good. Let's say credit score is bad at 740. It's a purchase, everything normal. And I keep my compensation at 1%. Okay? And then I coded it. Our system is super smart. It's better than Loan Shifter. It will help you and the client detect the home affordable home ownership program. So the client and you can pick the income level. So in this case, 80% of AMI is 76,000. The system is smart to help you so that it will tell you which program you can qualify. So this borrower qualify for Home Ready, Home Possible, and 2-1 buy down, and this one. So we have a lot of great program to help you to see if you qualify or not. And this makes us different and better than everyone else out there. Out there, as the loan officer, you have to remember all of these programs in your head and try to see if they qualify. And it's so difficult for a normal average loan officer to remember all of these programs. And here you see how easy it is for me to determine right away that the client qualifies for this assistance. And I can see the rate.
So is this, I'll just say it's a, I don't know, Encompass, whatever. Is this your own proprietary CRM?
Yes.
Or have you bought this from some other entity?
Yeah, let me repeat again. We build everything ourselves. We own everything. We have our own pricing engine like this. We have our own LOS, POS, CRM, marketing, everything. We build everything. We have AI application. We are a technology company. Okay.
The comp, I have a question about the comps. You say 1%, is that a building lender pay, or so we cannot charge higher?
No. I said earlier that you can make up to 250. You can change that from loan to loan. So every loan, you can go here, you can change it.
So,
Okay.
but earlier you said 1% for the rate.
No, for this
Between-
scenario. For this scenario, it's 1%. Right here. But from loan to loan, you have the right, you have the power to change it from loan to loan. Your compensation
So
is
would that be a lender pay on the CD or borrower pay?
it's up to you. If you leave it as lender pay, you make 250. If you want to lower to compete, you want to give your client better rate, you switch to borrow pay and lower your comp.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
I would have to assume, though, that if that's the case, you must be looking at quite a few factors, one being loan amount, high risk fee, whatever. All of that's going to be a part of what you're going to be able to charge. And most of the time when that happens, you're coming down to a borrower paid comp.
Yes. If the loan amount is small and to pass the QM test, then of course you have to lower your car, you know. So let me
I just
continue.
have one more question and then I won't ask any more. Do you have a commercial side to your company or?
I'll show that to you later on. There's tons. No, yeah, let's wait. If it's not relevant, wait to the end because I want to keep going, you know,
Sure.
without interruption. So here you can see the pricing engine and you can see the rate right now, even 5.5. I promote on my social media 5.625, right? Where is it? Right here. 5.625. And now even lower today. It's crazy. So you can see right here, 5.5%. And this is a 2-1 buy down paid by Rocket. And you can see all the breakdown and you can see this. The rate 5.5, the first year 3.5, second year 4.5. And the difference here, the total saving is here. And lender pay for it. So there are only four requirements to qualify for this, and we list it out here. The loan amount have to be $350, and we are improving it. It have to be a purchase, primary resident, and 80% AMI. The income cannot exceed 80% AMI. So this is a great program that all of us at the loan officer should promote it. Imagine you can promote 3.5% rate. People would love you and will come to you. And that's how I do it. That's why I have so many clients. I have almost 200 clients, 200 active loans right now. Active loans that been submitted to the lender. Hi, me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So my question is, you know, a lot of brokers in the channel. I think a lot of LOs are in the wholesale channel right now. But if they're not retail, come to wholesale. This guy is, you know, providing a lot of opportunity. This platform is everything in one. It's great. When LOs go from retail to wholesale, what are we doing about lead generation? And how
Can we wait to the end? Can we wait to the end? Because I don't want to interrupt
okay.
this.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah, thank you. I'm sorry. Hello, me, Singh. Me?
Hi, Tuan. This is Nika. I don't know why it's appearing as me, but that's okay. I had a question on your processor. So what the feedback that I have at Loan Factory is that all of them are overseas and they may not necessarily be on our time zone. That's why it makes it very challenging to work with your processors, and hence third-party processor would be a better option.
So most of our processor are overseas. We have US processor as well. But overseas processor is way better. They are focused. They're under our supervision. They work hard. And they love to close more loan. They love to make you happy. So not only that, we use technology to control the process. So you can see that 99.99% of all the loans at Loan Factory, we will end up having 5-star review. So when you join Loan Factory, your client will be happy and you will get 5-star reviews. Nobody in the country have this kind of record. We have over 7,500 5-star review, and it's a perfect 5-star average. We don't get 4-star review or less.
So like you said, 4 hours. So let's say, again, depending upon the time, right? So when I turn in the file in the afternoon, does it?
We do have, I'm sorry, we do have time zone. So if you are on the East Coast, we will assign you a processor working in the on your time zone.
Okay. So let's say it's specific. I'm in California. So 4 hours, does that mean the same day they will be touching the file, or is it dependent upon when I turn it in?
I don't quite understand your question. Can
So
you
let's
ask?
say, I'll take an example. A file goes in the morning. I will think they have the entire 8 hours at least, so they'll be able to touch the file. But let's say if the file goes at 3 for review to the processor, will they be able to, because 4 hours will be up, will they be able to review the file the same day? Will be next day?
Yes. They work your time zone. when they have turn time. Everyone, please try to stay with the topic. Don't try to ask. If you raise your hand, it should be related to something that I'm talking right now, not something else, please. If you want to ask something else, wait to the end. Otherwise, it's hard for me to present what I have to offer you.
Sure, no, sorry, I was waiting, so I couldn't ask this before. Everybody was asking the question.
Thank you. Thank you.
Antoine, just real quick, you mentioned that you have 200 active contracts right now. You know, that's a ton of volume, of course. Do you have loan officer assistants, assisting you with that? And coming into Loan Factory, is that available to loan officers as well?
Yeah, we are trying to offer loan officer assistant. This is something we are working. So we will offer that. We will offer that. Okay. So let me continue. So this program 2-1 buy down is so good, and everyone should take advantage of it and promote it. So what makes you different and better, what makes you more successful, is the ability for you to promote yourself. If you cannot promote yourself, how can people know you? How can people come to you, right? So when I promote this, I get tons of clients right away. And I get thousands or tens of thousands of other clients who remember me, that I have the best rate. I can do something that other loan officers cannot do. And in the future, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years from now, when they need mortgage, they will come to me because they know that I have the best rate. Because I know that I can offer the program that not many people can offer. So that is my secret. You need to be able to present yourself. You are a great loan officer. You can bring benefit to your clients so that they will come to you, right? Imagine there's over 100,000 loan officers out there, but you are not better than them. You have nothing to promote. How can you have clients? Why would client come to you, right? You think about what I say. And can you please not raise your hand if you don't ask? I really want to call you and answer your question, but you have to promise you ask relevant question that I just talked about. So Margaret, hello, Margaret.
I was trying to change my name on there. I'm so sorry. Quick question. Just there was I work for a broker called Edge, and I don't see you guys on our approved lender. How do I get on there to benefit from these rates?
We are not a lender. We are a broker.
I mean, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
That's fine. We are a competitor of Edge, and
okay,
we should be better than that for sure.
Ah.
For sure.
Okay.
You can see. They don't have the 2-1 buy down. I want you to compare your rate versus our rates. I want you to compare everything.
I am. I'm like, I see the difference on here. So I'm like, oh my gosh.
We'll pay you $10.99 instead of that. Okay. They force you to accept W-2.
Okay.
And we charge you only $5.95. They charge you $8.95 or $9.95.
And plus whatever else they charge.
And then we charge you only $500 processing fee. They charge you a lot higher. Everything is different. Everything is better. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Hello.
Cynthia? Hello.
Yes.
My question is this: the $500 processing fee, can that be passed on to the borrower on the LE?
Yes and no. So by law, we can charge if it's a third-party processing fee. This case, if it's in-house processor, you cannot charge. However, you can send it to our correspondent channel and you can charge that. And however, my recommendation is not to charge that because the consumer, when they see a lot of fee, they don't like it. It's better to hide the fee. So for example, instead of making 150 bps and force the borrower to pay for the processing fee, you can charge the borrower 175 bps and waive that fee. So at the end, it's the same. You make more on the compensation and you can pay for the processing fee yourself. So that is better, and most loan officers love it because on the LE you don't charge processing fee. You understand what I mean, right? You make more on the compensation, and you can make it up.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah. Thank you. So let me continue. There's a lot that I want to show you, a lot more. Our technology is amazing. Yeah, you can share your you can compare the 15-year, 20-year, 30-year side by side. You can share that. You can download the image here and promote it to the consumer. We make everything super fast and easy for you. See, you can generate this and promote it. You can send a text message to your client. You can do so many things quickly and easily. Normally, when I promote myself, I click on the link here and I share that on social media so that not only 1 or 10, but thousands of people can click on the link and see my rate.
And this is what you're referring to when you say inbound calls?
Say that again about outbound call.
Is this what you're referring to? Because on the advertisement, it says something about inbound calls. Is this what you mean? Like you post the ad?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
Yes. When client call you and ask for the rate, right? You can be on the phone with them, and then within 30 seconds, you can email them or text them the rate, email them the link. You can share with them the screen, and then you can go over the number with them.
Okay, let me make sure I got this correct. So you're providing the LOs this platform to be able to mass market on social media at no cost to the LO. Is that correct?
We give you whatever you see here, we give it to you for free. And
okay,
more.
Can you kind of show how it mass markets? Is there any way you can do like a...
I mean, it's easy, right?
Example.
If you notice, I promote this on my website. I promote this.
I see what you mean. To your friends, okay.
I can copy the link and paste it here. I can
I
post it
got
here.
you.
And then people, so right here, for example, I can do it for you. You can see it. I can copy the link here. 5 point, here, the link right here, right? I copy it. 4.7%. I can go to my Facebook and promote it.
Okay, I got you. You're doing your own marketing, you're creating inbound calls using your system. Okay, okay.
Bring traffic to your website. Bring them all in. Yeah, let's see it show up here. People curious, they click on it and take to our website. They click on it and boom, here we go. They see the rate, they see how good we are. Yeah.
Got it. Okay.
My internet is a little slow. See, they can see the rate, 4.75. So basically, let me go back to the marketplace. That's a lot that I want to share. And normally this will last 2 hours, and I feel bad. So basically, we offer over 200 lenders. We offer all types of products: non-QM, private loan, commercial loan, reverse mortgage, land, charter home loan. Let's say commercial. We have 32 lenders, and you can reach out to them. You can reach out to them. You can see their AE, their numbers. You can reach out to them. Or let's say you see the 32 commercial lender, right? You can click here to email them a scenario. Write out a scenario here. You can write down, and then you can narrow that down. Or you can email to all of these lenders, and then you can post that. And when you post it, it show up here in the lender finder. So we have loan officer here posting question, and then the other lender answer the question. We have 6 comments. A lot of loan officer here asks difficult scenario. See it right here, $3 million non-QM purchase, blah, blah, blah. And then there's 7 people answer. So this is how we can get answer for our difficult loans scenario. You can narrow down by all type of loan. FHA 203K. We have 13 lenders. You can do fix and flip. 50 lenders. We can do foreign national.
Juan,
Yes.
on the fix and flip, are we the originators on that, or are we sharing?
Depend on the lender. You need to reach out to them, and if they pick your scenario, you can talk to them. So it's all different. Fix and flip and private money and commercial, it's different case by case, different by the lender. So, and then lender finder, if you have any difficult scenario, you can post an inquiry. You can narrow down what type of loan it is, and then you can pick how many lenders you want to email. And if you pick 20 lender, all of the lender will get the scenario, and they will respond to you. You can post it. You will see how good we are. On the events, we have tons of training event going on. So
Juan,
like,
can
yes.
you hear me now?
Yes.
Sorry, I wanted to ask this earlier before you move on. In terms of product, do you have bond loan programs or lenders that will do the bond loans, as an example, in California, like GSFA or CalHAPA?
Yeah, we can do CalHAP or Golden State program. We have a lot of lenders that do like DBA, like Hometown Hero in Florida or in Texas. So we have all kind of lenders that do all kind of loans. And we have a lot of training, live training, upcoming training, a lot of training every day from Rocket, from DSCR, from the lender. We have tons of meeting, training, and for the past event, you can watch it too. Some of the event we recorded, you can watch it. So, like here, I had a training last Friday. We do cell call, and you can watch it every weekly. I do training about buy down, 2-1 buy down. Lender offer training on reverse mortgage, you can watch it. So we have a lot of training. We have announcement from the lender. We have vendors. We have third-party processor. So our pricing engine, you can run non-QM or QM pricing engine. This is non-QM pricing engine. You can do an investment DSCR loan. You can check the rate here. We have 7 lenders total, and you can indicate the ratio, the SCR ratio, the penalty, and all that. So we build this for you to help you. Let me show you other feature. But let me come back to that later. Let me go out and show you something else. So as the loan officer, we'll build a website for you. So we will promote you too. Let's say the consumer go to our website, they run a code, we will feature you. So let's say consumer, they go to our website, they run a code, right? They run a code. We will show you on the bottom so that the consumer can pick you and work with you. And we will help you get 5-star review. We know how to do this. And we will collect 5-star review for you. When you close loan, we will help you build up your 5-star review. And you own it. It's your Google 5-star review. You own it. 2 years from now, let's say you leave Loan Factory, you take it with you. Okay. And that is exactly what we are talking about. How can you be a good loan officer? How can you be successful? When the consumer, when they need loan, you need to understand the consumer if you want to be a good loan officer. If you don't understand them, you will not win them, right? So what are the consumers looking for? They are looking for a loan officer who has super low rate for them, right? They are looking for.
The educated consumer is.
I'm sorry?
The educated consumer is looking for a good loan officer with the best rates, but they usually go towards a realtor. And I'm looking for marketing tactics that goes straight to the realtors, or how to generate the borrowers. And it's a great platform. It's a LOS that you guys built, and it looks incredible. I think, there's a lot of retail LOs in the space, and there's a lot of wholesale LOs. And I think it comes down to one question: is where do we attract the most business? And
Yes.
like,
So in order to attract business, you need to, no matter, if you are not a good loan officer, if you cannot offer the super low interest rate, if you don't have a 5-star review, a lot of 5-star review, you don't have the technology, you're not going to go out there and bring in a lot of clients. Nobody wants to work with you. So this is what I have, and this is why I have over 200 active loans right now. Every month I close almost 70 loans every month myself. And I spend about 5% of my time originating. So the reason I have so many transactions, because the consumer, they know me, they come to me. They know that if they work with Thanh Nguyen, they get the best rate, the best service, the best technology. I prove it. For you, can you prove it? How can you expect the consumer to come to work with you if you cannot even prove that you have the best rate or the best service or the best technology?
consumers have a lot of options. And if we're going to sit on this pedestal saying we have the best rates, the best program, how are we getting that voice out? How are we attracting the consumers?
Exactly. So imagine this. When you join Loan Factory, I give you everything that I have. Everything that make me become #1 loan officers in the country. I give you everything. I give you the technology, the processing, the staff, the management, the roll rate, everything. And you and me, we are the same. I have nothing better than you. So when you join Loan Factory, we are the same. Okay? So that proves that I give you everything I have. And you just need to go out and copy my strategy. Whatever I do, you can do the same.
So if I join the company tomorrow,
yes,
how would I gravitate the next mortgage? How would I close the next loan? What does it look like from start to finish?
Yes, I will go to that very soon. I will show you how you're gonna take application and move it all the way to fund it. I'm gonna show you very soon. But let me finish this topic. The consumer, they are more savvy right now. They shop around a lot more. Technology has been advancing. AI, consumers are younger. They are suffering a lot more now with higher home price and higher interest rate. The income is not rising that fast. So they must shop around to save money. And they are younger. Naturally, younger people, they shop around, they love technology. So if you cannot win, if you don't have these three factor, rate, service, and technology, you're gonna lose. So I have the best rate, the best technology, and best service. And I can prove that. Consumer go to me, I guarantee they have the best rate. I have my online pricing engine for them to check the rate so that they trust me more, right? Look at how many 5-star review I have, and it's a perfect record. I myself have over 6,000 5-star review. And all of my loan officers who join Loan Factory, they have perfect 5-star review as well. And when you join Loan Factory, you will have the same. All of your clients will give you 5-star review. Okay.
Right. And I'm looking for, how do we get those 5-star reviews? Do we
Yes.
network with realtors? What does that look like? Are we lead generating, attracting those young borrowers, those millennial borrowers that think that rates are too high in this market? We have products. I'm just trying to see what
you try to, this is one problem that you and many other loan officers have. You try to go out there and get a lot of clients, bring in more clients. And that is the wrong approach. The right approach is to become a better loan officer. Offer a lot more to your clients, and they will know, they will come to you. So one is push and one is pull. You want to pull people to you. You don't go out there and try to get loans. People have to come to you. If you become a good loan officer with the best rate, the best service, and the best technology, people will come to you. If you are not a good loan officer, you have nothing better than your competitor, and you try to go out there and try to bring in more clients, you will fail.
So what does the business model look like for an LO that's jumping on the company? What should they do on day one?
Focus on being a good loan officer. Focus on how competitive you are. Can you beat out your competitor? Can you beat other loan officer? Can you gain trust from them? Can you offer the better rate? Can you offer the better service? So that when the client closes a loan with you, they love you. They will come back to you. They will never forget you. They will refer more clients to you. That's what you want to be. And you feel better yourself too. Because you help someone, they appreciate it, they love you, right?
Does the business model look like LOs reaching out to family members? Does it look like it should be?
Yes.
You know, is there a rubric or a strategy that you guys have in place to help people, you know, find the business? I mean, you guys are offering the whole package, except what I'm finding a gap in, maybe I'm wrong, but where do we find the borrowers? And where we garner trust within the realtor community? Realtors are...
That's something you ask in a coaching call.
So yeah, you asked a very big question. I can talk to you later.
Was it coaching call? I'm sorry.
That's why when you work with Loan Factory, you can see all of this. You can see how I do things. You can see all the loan officers do. When you work for another company, let's say C2 Financial, you are on your own. Everything you do, you're on your own. And you might make a wrong move, you don't even know. You have a wrong strategy, you don't even know. You are struggling, it's your business. Nobody cares about you. But at Loan Factory, we are different. Everything we do, everything I do, I share with you. I help you. I make sure you do business correctly. I want to make sure that you spend 95% of your time getting the client, do marketing, grow your business. And you're not spending 60% of your time processing the loan. That is the wrong way. I want to make sure you do business the right way. And that will increase your chance of being successful. Okay? So, I mean, competition is crazy in this market, and you need to do everything right in order to be successful. As long as you work hard and smart, at Loan Factory, you're going to be successful for sure. Let me move on. So, you need to be able to prove to your clients and realtor that you are a good loan officer, that you have a good rate, good service, good technology. And at Loan Factory, we help you so that you can prove that to your realtor and your clients so that they will come to you. People are smart. They are getting smarter. If you try to rip them off, if you give them a high rate, they will know. They will never come back to you. And the biggest mistake that most loan officers make, and realtor, they make the same mistake, is they chase after a new client, and they're not focusing on their existing clients. Keeping the existing client is so much easier than getting new client. And getting new client from a referral is so much easier than getting new client when they are a stranger. They don't know you. How can you expect them to come to you and ask you to help them? That is the wrong approach. Wrong approach. Okay. So to be honest with you, we can discuss it many sections, many hours. It can go on and go on. And there's everyone have different approach too. Everyone have different strength and weakness. And that's why the approach is important. The mentality, the mindset is important. What can you do to improve? What can you do to become a better loan officer? So let me move on. So this is what we have to offer at Rocket Mortgage. We work with Rocket rather than UWM because Rocket is a better partner for us. They give us consistently best rate, best program. They don't charge EPO. So if you send loan to them, you don't have to worry about EPO. They give us 15 days free extension. So you don't have to worry about extension fee. They help us improve the credit score for free. They help us, you can submit loan to them and report for free. So they are a good partner and we work with them a lot. We give you a free website. Like I said earlier, we'll give you a free website so that you can, in order to empower you, we'll give you a free website, a way for you to take application. Hey, Rupar,
Yes.
you have
Hi.
a question?
Yes, hi Tuan. I do have quite a few questions and I was waiting until the end. But the most importantly, I may do the follow-up call with you, but I have a question regarding CRM. Let's say it is built in. So does it have a follow-up sequences after the loan closes? And also a drip campaign, not drip campaign, but more of a follow-up campaign.
Yes. Hold on. I haven't got there yet. So Sung Nguyen here, she has her own website with her own domain. You can have the same thing. We give you the same website, your own domain name for free. And here you can see her information on top, right? And you can take application. It has a pricing engine here. We build this for you for free. You can showcase your review so people will like you. So this is the website we provide to you for free. And it's the same thing. The consumer can fill out the application. And now I'm going to show you what we call do-it-yourself mortgage. Riley, you asked me about how we have a new loan, how can we take it all the way to fund it or close, right? So now I'm going to show you how we originate, how I originate. So I will run ads, right? I will promote myself, my website. So the consumer go to my website, they will check the rate. They will check the rate, right? And let's say they check the rate and they see the rate code right here and they like it and they want to proceed, right? So they say 5.5% rate, they click on apply. So normally we are doing better. Instead of giving them a dummy link, you tell your client, go to my website, ruparloanofficer.com, rallyloanofficer.com. You have your own domain name, you promote it, right? And then the consumer can say, oh, I want to refinance. I want lower rate. And then they will enter their email address and they enter their information. We will create an account for the client and they will fill out the application. The borrower will fill out the application. And we have the AI application. If you or the client want, you can click on AI assisted application and you can upload these documents. AI will read the information there and fill out the application for your clients. So that saves a lot of time. Or you can fill out manually. So you can fill out the application manually here. It's really short. It's only 6 pages. And most of it already filled out too. So this is the application, and I don't want to focus too much on this, but our application is simple, easy, fast, and very powerful because the consumer, when they go to the liability page, they can pull credit report so that you don't have to pay. They can pay for it and pull it. It's up to you to decide that. They can give you the permission to put their number on the do not call list. So that way, all the broker and lender cannot call your client to trigger your client. Okay. So at Loan Factory, we stop trigger lead. Our client will not run into that problem. That there's 30 or 50 people calling our clients crazy. We stop that. So at Loan Factory, everything we do, I myself, when I run into any problem, I solve it. I don't allow problem to exist in the company. So let's say the borrower fill out the application. At the end, supporting document, the system will automatically read in all information here and come up with a list of supporting document that we need from the borrower. And the borrower will upload it for us. When the borrower fill out the application, when they enter this borrower tab, the information, the system will send you a text message, letting you know that there's someone fill out an application so that you can log in and call the borrower. So let me share with you, for privacy, I cannot show you the production environment, but I have to show you this. So when the borrower fill out application, you get notified on a text message. You call them up and say, hey, you can see, you see the borrower fill out an application. And here you log in to the prospect, you log in, you can see the borrower fill out an application is 28%, right? At Loan Factory, we have 3 pipelines: leads, prospect, and loans. A lead is basically a name and phone number or name and email. That's it. You work on lead. When borrower fill out an application, we call that prospect. We have an application. And this prospect fill out only 28%. And you can click on it, you can see where they stop. They stop it right here. So you can call the borrower up and ask them why they stop right there. Is there any question? So that you can help them finish the application. Or you can help them finish the application while you're on the phone with them. Or let's say this borrower, the borrower finished 100%, 99 or 100% of the set. So you can go in and review the application. You can see that the borrower have these to do and they didn't upload it. So if they the borrower can upload it or you can upload it. So imagine the borrower uploaded it, then you can see that it's right here. You can click on it and view it. So these to-do are generated automatically. The day it's created, the day it's updated, and you can add more to-do if you want to. You can manually add more to-do. And then you can email the borrower. You can email the borrower the list of to-do so that they can send it back to you. They can log in and send it back to you. Okay? So this is how we take application and documents. The borrower upload document. When the borrower upload document, so your goal is to make sure the borrower finish the application and upload all the document, all the to-do. You can click on it to see all the list of to-do.
Hi, good, how are you?
So when the borrower upload document, everything ready to go, you will go in and review the application, review the document, pull credit report, run the US, and when everything ready, you will create a rate alert. You will check the rate, right? You will decide which lender to pick. So you will select all lender here and you can run the pricing. You can run the pricing and you see that, oh, TPO Go have the best rate. You will create a rate alert. And it can be real time or daily or weekly or on target hit. So for any active loan, we keep it real time. So when after you create a rate alert, what happens is you will convert it to a loan. You convert it to a loan so that you will pick, you want to send it to wholesale or correspondent. As the loan officer, you have the choice to pick wholesale or correspondent. You have the choice to pick the lender. You can pick lender pay or borrow pay. If it's borrow pay, what is the comp? So you can do all of this, and then you will select the closing agent. You will pick the processor will be show up automatically. The processor will pop up automatically on the production side. And then that's it. You convert to a loan. The processor will get notified. They will submit the loan in 4 hours. They will work on your loan every day to push it forward until the loan is funded. For you, after you convert the loan, you call your borrower up and say, hey, your loan is ready to go. We're gonna submit the loan to the lender. The lender will approve the loan within 24 hours. After that, the lender will give us the list of conditions. It will ask for more documents. You will be working with my assistant, the processor, to give the lender everything they ask for. We will send your loan to this lender, Rocket Mortgage. I have created a rate alert already. Every day, my system will send you the rate to your email. Can you please check your email every morning for the rate? If you don't like the rate, we will wait. But if you like the rate, can you please call me so that I can lock the rate for you? So that is the conversation that you tell your borrower. You explain to the borrower what happened next. So you can see that our loan process is, you as the loan officer, you do very little. You don't do anything. The borrower do everything. So let me do a summary. The borrower go to your website, they check the rate, right? They fill out application, right? They upload documents, right? You will go in and review the document and the 1003, and then pull credit and run AUS and convert it to a loan, right? And then the borrower will monitor the rate for you. They will call you to lock the rate. The loan will be taken care of by the processor. They will move the loan all the way to fund it for you. So at the loan officer, you do very little. You do very little. The borrower and the processor do most of the work for you. So you see that you do very little. And because you do very little, it's very little, there's little chance that you make mistake. And the borrower, they do everything. So if there's mistake or something happen, it's their fault. They are in control of the process. They do most of the work. And if something goes wrong, it's their problem. And because of that, they cannot blame you. They don't send you document, it's their problem. They don't finish the application, it's their problem. They enter the wrong social security number or wrong property address, it's their problem. So it's hard for the borrower to blame you. And therefore, it is very, very likely that they give you 5-star review. Go there and control of the process. They understand what's going on. They give you everything you need. So this is the reason why at Loan Factory, I got all 5-star review. Hi, Cynthia.
Unfortunately, I have an appointment in 4 minutes, but I would like to know if I can, if someone can email me the rest of this, if it's being recorded today, or let me know what the next step would be. I didn't realize it was going to be this long of a thing. I would have pushed my appointment back, but it's...
Sure. Someone will send you the link to watch the video again. Thank you.
I really appreciate that so much. It's been very interesting, and I am interested in doing this. Thank you.
Thank you. Sorry about that. Yeah, thank you.
No, that's okay. I wish I didn't know it was going to be this long. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Hi, Cynthia.
Hello. First question is, so after, if we elect to go forward, you will send the link at the end of the presentation, correct? And then oftentimes I work with a lot of older borrowers who are not used to using technology, can I do their application over the phone
Yes.
and
Yes.
upload the documents, or okay?
Yes, yes. Here, let me show you the rest of the system so you understand. So when you log in, you can invite a borrower to fill out application, or you can fill out the application for your borrower.
Oh, I was gonna say, I deal with a lot of Spanish speaking people. Do you guys have translators?
We have Spanish speaking processor to help you. Yes, they can help you translate. Yes.
This is good stuff. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. So let me share with you more about our system. You can see how many loans I have right now, active loan. Let me show you as a loan officer. Hold on 1 second. Let me log in as the loan officer. So you can see what will it look like. So as a loan officer, you can see we have a lot of marketing material where you can promote it. So for example, you can generate this image and promote it. And everything will be updated in real time. So you can generate this, right? And you can select the bank or lender. And then you can preview it right here. It's gonna be today's rate, today rate, and today times. So you can generate this and promote it. Citibank, review it. The rate is live, everything live. So you can simply generate and download it and promote it to your on your social media to your client. So here you see it showing up. So you can see how better we are. We help you generate marketing material. We help you generate marketing material, and it's customized as well. So you can do co-marketing right here with the realtor. Both of you will show up. You can promote a review. Let's say you have a 5-star review right here. You can generate the review and promote it. Your picture, all of these will be customized with 1 click, and then you can have it. You can open it here, right here, to promote it. So we have a holiday to promote it. You have, if you close the loan really fast, you can generate it as well and promote it. Let's say 11 days here for this client, you can generate it. And it's gonna look like this, and you can promote it. It's all customizable. And every week we also send you updated material for you to, like we created weekly. It's coming soon. So every week we show you 40, 50 different materials, and anything you like, you can click on it to generate and process. So we empower you. We give you good content to promote. And this is not from me or from anyone. It comes from 1,000 loan officers here. Anyone have good idea, they want to create a good image, we build it, we share that, right? Google review right here. So here you can connect your Google review and collect it. If you don't have it, you can click the button right here. We will help you apply for Google My Business account so that you can start collecting reviews on Google. You can build up a referral realtors. You can use this to build a relationship with the realtor. We track referral back and forth. We generate report. We communicate with the realtor. So this is a tool to help you work with your realtor. Commission. When you close a loan, all you need to do is click here and request permission. Right here, break down everything, and you can hit the button, and that's it. It's done. So we make it so easy for you to request commission and get paid. You can create a ticket right here if you need any of these departments to help you, or you need to communicate with them, create a ticket. They will get back to you soon. We have teams and mentorship. This is great. If you want to become a mentor, you can click here to become a mentor. Or you can be a mentee and you can join a mentor. Here's all the mentors that you can join. Same thing with team. You can create your own team and earn an override on your team member, or you can join a team. So Facebook ads, we just roll out this last week, where you can connect to Facebook and run ads. We build a tool to help you run Facebook ads. Email drip campaign, where you can turn it on and the system will email all your clients in any of these holidays. Or if you want to do a referral, you can send it. Or you can do a follow-up campaign on your client, on your lead, on your prospect. You can just turn it on and go in here and decide like 7 days or how many days you want to send the client and what is the content of the email. So we have email drip campaign. You can do a mailing list. You can create a list of all your clients or all your prospects or lead, and then you can email all of them at the same time. You can this list can be dynamic or static. Dynamic, that means next week you close 10 more clients. That 10 clients will be added here automatically. And static is basically you can import it. You can create a static list and you can import the list so that you can start sending out email. We have event where you can have your own event or open house and you can collect contact information. Training, we have an academy where you can learn for free. We have some training courses for you to take. If you want to learn loan life cycle at Loan Factory, LO best practice training, we have it here on our academy training. The lead setting. So you can create lead funnel within 30 seconds. You can have a lead funnel. So you can do a home ready first, lead funnel, or let's go back here. You can choose what the template of the lead funnel. 1+ lead funnel, VA funnel, hit lot funnel. So you can create a lead funnel and create it. Home ready first. You give it the path, the URL. 30 seconds, you can have a lead funnel. And then you can use this to promote. You can pour all your traffic to this URL and collect lead. You can have widgets. You can connect to get lead to Facebook. You can subscribe your loan officer or realtor to newsletter or rate update, email or text, so that your realtor will receive a text message about the rate every day. So there's a lot more, but I don't think we have time, and I want to open up for a question. Yeah, go ahead and ask me a question. Hi, Kayon.
Hello, Twain. Thank you for the presentation. It's very nice. I have 2 or 3 questions. I believe Cynthia asked a question about phone application. I prefer to do phone application and then make sure the application is done properly and then upload the documents. Is that possible?
Yeah, easy. You can go to prospect and create a new application and talk to the client over the phone and take the application.
Okay.
Or even better, we have a mobile app.
Uh-huh.
We have a mobile app.
Yes.
The client can use the app to fill out application. We just released a new AI version where the borrower will talk to the client, will talk to our mobile app. So our mobile app will interview the client. You don't have to do it.
Fantastic.
The mobile app will ask, what is your name? And the client will answer. How much is the loan amount that you want? And the client will answer. So the mobile app will talk to the client. Right now it's in English, but we will roll it out to all the languages.
Fantastic. And the second question is it possible to go W-2 or must be 1099 with your company?
No, you have the right to pick W-2. In 13 states, you have to be W-2. But in all other states, you can be 1099 or W-2.
I see. Okay.
If you are W-2, you get paid only 90% instead of 100%.
90% minus the 1095 fee.
Correct.
Okay. Great.
Minus 595 and 500 processing. Yes.
Okay. I personally rather spend my time getting more clients. So
yes,
I really like to just fill out the application and then submit it to the processor. I don't want to do any paperwork.
Exactly. Exactly.
Paperwork. I mean, this bureaucracy, I don't want to deal with it. Is it
Yes.
possible for the processor to just go get all the documents necessary?
Yes, the processor will take care of everything for you.
Okay, so that I can spend my time getting clients. That's fantastic.
Exactly. You know, I myself, I suffer so much because I have so many clients, and I don't want to deal with any paperwork. So I let my processor do everything so that I can focus on the front end to bring in more clients.
Exactly.
And exactly what I want you to do the same.
That's what I want to do.
the same.
Exactly. Exactly. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much. Thank you.
Thank
so
you,
much.
Carol. Thank you. Hi, Don.
Pardon me, I had my mic on mute. The question I had was, and I hope I didn't miss your answer to it, but on a rate lock, do we have the option in loans of if there's a significant rate approvals of or rate improvement to change it?
So when we're getting better, normally the lender allow rate float down, but most of them charge 50 bps. And that is their policy. There's nothing we can do. However, because we are a loan, a broker, we can always cancel the loan and send the loan to a new lender, if it makes sense. If we can save our client a lot of money, then we should do that. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Don. Hey, Alfonso.
Okay, yes, sorry. Yeah, I have some questions. So, okay, do you accept brokers? So like, yeah, I own my own company for like, let's say I wanted you to sponsor me for other states that the company's
Yes.
not licensed.
Yes.
Yeah.
We can do that. We can do that. You can keep your company with the same state, keep it. And then for other state, you work with Loan Factory as a loan officer.
Okay, great. And then how many correspondent lenders do you have?
Right now, only one, but we're adding Kai Lending and New Rest.
Okay. And on the correspondent, do you obligate a comp plan as well?
We keep everything the same. The only difference is with correspondent, you pay $300 extra. That's it.
You pay us or we pay $300 extra?
You pay $300 extra.
Okay, got it.
Because we have to take on more risk and more expense. Yeah.
Understood. And do you have any plans to become FHA correspondent?
Yes, actually, I do have a plan to become a direct lender, selling direct to Fannie Freddie, an investor. But it is a big project, and we yet decided. So it might take a year or two before we become a complete direct lender.
Got it. Thank you.
Yeah. My goal is to be able to have better rate to compete, and the only way is to become a lender.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Alfonso. Hey, David.
So retail lenders with the margins they have, of course, they add a big margin, right? And it's worse pricing than wholesale. But in reality, they're getting pricing better than wholesale. Is that right?
What happened is with retail, that structure caused the rate to be really high. Like they have so many layers, and every layer they add 5 basis points, 2 basis points. And so at the end, the consumer get very high interest rate. So right now, what I see is the lender, they have changed. They allow their loan officer to broker. So I see that the line has been blurred. A lot of lender become broker, a lot of broker become lender. And I want to do the same. But I want to keep it really simple. I want to control the cost. so that our pricing gonna be better and better, so that we can compete better. So that is it what I want to share with you. Yes. Thank you, Alfonso. Hey, David.
Hi, Tuan. I had applied through LinkedIn, and the position was for inbound calls. And so I'm wondering if that's for a separate channel, or if that's referencing using your marketing campaigns and things to generate inbound leads. This was through Steven. Is it a different channel that you offer, or is this all one channel?
What do you mean channel? I'm still not
channels
quite
of business. So like some companies offer essentially like a call center type environment where calls are screened and then passed forward to the loan officer, and then take the leads from there, obviously with the reduced base points payout.
I see. So basically, when you join Loan Factory, you are an independent loan officer. You need to self-source your clients.
Okay.
However, we help you. We have a lot of marketing. We have a lot of support. We also have company lead in 42 states, and we also have some Facebook lead to give it to you. So with company lead, because the client already filled out application, the chance that you close is very high. So we pay only 25 bps. However, you do very little, and the client is yours client. You can keep that relationship. You can target them for refinance in the future. Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, you said that 25 bips?
Yes.
25 bips. Sorry to jump in. Yeah.
Yes, 25 bps for company loan.
Okay.
The board already fill out an application at our website. But you only need to jump on and make sure they commit and they send us document. That's it. The processor will take care of the loan all the way to fund it.
So if we came on, then we could exercise all of the same marketing material to self-source leads, as
Yes.
well as have access to the company leads. And if we did entertain that, how many company leads would we be able to be provided? Let's say if we wanted to use that as our single source, what's the amount of volume that you guys would be able to offer on that route?
What we do is when we have a company lead, a company loan. So basically, loan officer, when you join, you will decide if you want to take lead or not. And if you accept lead, you want to work on lead, then the system will know. And whenever we have a new lead, we send a text message out to all of the loan officers who want to work on lead. And whoever loan officer that respond fastest, then you get a text message. If you're the first one that respond, you get that lead. And I wouldn't count on that because there's a lot of loan officer, but not many leads compared to the number of loan officers. So I would want you to rely on generate your own lead. And you can run your own ads. You can run your own ads. You can run your own campaign. There's many ways for you to get lead. Nowadays, buying lead is not a good way. And I do recommend you to generate your own leads.
Do you have to close so many loans before you're eligible for the company leads?
No.
How can we get this recording? Do I have to send you guys an email?
Yeah, just reach out to any of us. We'll send you.
Okay, thank you.
Send you the link so you can watch it again. Thank you.
Pardon me, Twain. Can we bring our own pipeline into a loan factory?
Be careful because a lot of company or broker might sue you if you bring in the pipeline to loan factory, because they treat it as their own clients. So make sure that your company allow that.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, normally what happens is you should close the loan, the one that already moved on, deep into the process. You try to close it before you move, and then the one that not started yet or just beginning, you can just cancel it and move it to loan factory. You can put it under my name, and then as soon as your license is active, we can move the loan back to your name.
Okay, thank you, Tony.
Thank you, Ken. The sponsorship normally take only 2-3 days. Very fast.
Okay.
So if I
And
had
then to start
somebody
the
who
web,
wanted to do an application today, they would do your application and then in a few days transfer it over to me because they are going to go under contract tonight, and I don't
Correct.
want to do it under my current company.
Correct. So
Okay.
you work with the onboarding specialist. You can tell the borrower to apply at loanfactory.com. And then as soon as it happens, you tell the onboarding specialist that this is my client. Please confirm and send it back to me as soon as my license is active with Loan Factory. So we will move it back to your name.
Okay.
But we need to be fast because we don't want the loan to move all the way to almost clear to close and move it back. That is not good. And then we need to avoid problem. I'm sorry. We need to avoid Rocket because Rocket doesn't allow that. So there's some twist in there. But work with my staff and they can make it happen. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, who regarding that question, who can we work with? Because I agree. If I'm consider coming over, I have new deals potentially coming in, and I have deals that are in the pipeline right now. Who specifically should we talk to strategize? How that timing.
All of you in here, my staff will reach out to you either today or tomorrow morning. We'll reach out to you, and then you can talk to them.
Yeah, because I've already started the process. I've already paid the fee and begun the process in Texas, but I'm also licensed in Illinois. So, but I have loans active in Illinois and I have new deals coming in. So, I'm considering also Illinois, but I have an active pipeline.
Yeah, so whoever you talk to right now, that person can help.
I've been talking to Cohen, but he advised me to come on here and talk to you. Because he wasn't sure.
After this, you talk to him again. He will help you. Thank you, Darren. Thank you.
and then try real quick.
Yes.
How long does it take to make our website and all that fun stuff for us to promote right away?
Yeah,
okay.
We can get it done right away. You don't have to worry. Yeah.
Hey, Tuan.
Hi, Rupa.
Yeah, hi, Tuan. Question in regards to, can you, let's say we work with the Loan Factory, can you also work as a real estate broker?
Yes. Now we allow that. You can have dual capacity on the same transaction. Yeah, thank you. And our system is smart. As long as you tell us you are a realtor, our system will issue dual capacity disclosure automatically for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
I'm sorry.
how much advertising budget do you recommend initially to?
Good question. One problem with most loan officer or realtor is they don't advertise. All of us should advertise. You should spend at least 10% of your revenue on advertisement. I would do 10 to 20%, all of you. I recommend that. And the best way to advertise is right now. Advertise on Facebook or wherever your targeted audience are. Let's say you're Indian, you like WhatsApp, right? Or a lot of Hispanic or Asian, we are active on Facebook. So you should advertise there to target your clients. And we have the tool to help you run advertisement. What is more important is the content of the ads. So right now, you can promote a $1,000 lowest rate guarantee. You can promote the 2-1 buy down program. You can promote the refinance. The people want to refinance now. So you need to advertise on that, based on that.
But let's say like 10 to 20% revenue, understand. But let's say for the starting the marketing, do you advise like maybe $5 per day, $10 per day? Do you advise Google advertising? What would you recommend?
Wherever you need to find, there's many choices. So you need to know who you want to target and where to find them. That is more important. Okay. Like for me, it's difficult for me to target Caucasian. So I avoid. If you spend money, you lose money. That's it. Okay? Thank you. Surya?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
So basically, you said like underwriting is a pre-underwriting. Like how is it? Is it borrower paid when actually underwriting will pay, or it's a cost, or any tender based?
This is not the real underwriting. The loan is being underwritten by the lender. We are not lender. Our underwriter is just to help you. That's it.
Okay, so but still they pay the underwriting fee, right?
Yes, you still have to pay to the lender, not pay to us. Yeah. Hi, Rasanya?
Hey, hi.
Yes.
What is the EPO policy on the lenders you have?
Okay, depend. Every lender is different. The best lender is Rocket Mortgage. They have no EPO. So if you do a loan with Rocket and your client refinance with someone else, not Loan Factory, then we don't have to pay EPO. But every lender is different. Most lenders have 180 days EPO policy.
Okay.
Thank
you. And also, the Rocket will provide you any CYP, choose your price something. Do you get a extra lender?
They give us.
Do you get extra lender credits compared to other brokers, or it's the same price for all brokers?
They promise they give us the best rate. They give us 10 basis points special compared to other lenders. So we can guarantee that we have the best rate among all of their brokers. And our rate is always better than Europe. Yeah. Thank you.
Right.
Hi, Cynthia. Yeah.
I have one more question. Yes. Right now, the UWM has a refi 75 basis point, right?
Yes.
How are we competing with that? Is our prices good compared to that one?
Yeah, I believe that our rate is still better than that. And I want you to do that to help me. You can run the same scenario on your company.
I did. I did. The UWM is giving a better. Yeah, the UWM is getting a better rate compared to other lenders in Loan Factory.
Oh, really? Can you reach out to me? I want to see that.
Thing I ran. I'm sorry, I ran it, but I think we have to change our comp. We have to keep our comp at 1.5. I mean, 150 basis. So if we go with the same comp, I think Rocket is very, very competitive.
Yes, I want to see. That's why I want to compare. I'm highly confident. Yeah.
How do I reach you directly?
You can email me. I send you my email in the chat box.
Okay, cool. I'll just take from that and I'll send you the scenario. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Send me the scenario. When you send the scenario, the best way is to click on copy link and send me the link. That's the fastest.
Okay.
You know, right here. Click on the. You don't see my screen. Right on my website, there's a copy link. Let me share with you. So on my pricing engine, when you run it, you click on copy link right here and send me the link. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Hi, Juan Tong.
Hi. Actually, sorry, I was missing last 10 minutes. So I have one question. You said we cannot hiring our own processor. So do you have any processor like speak Spanish, Mandarin that can help us to target our market?
Yeah, we have a lot of processors who can speak Spanish. For Mandarin, we have 1 or 2 only.
Okay. So how many loan officers they work with right now?
I don't keep track. But
I see.
So far, we are able to support the current loan officer, 1,200 loan officers. Yeah, thank you.
Okay,
thank you. Yeah. Hey, Rupa.
Yes, hi Tuan. Can I schedule another meeting with you because I have several questions, very specific questions. Um, And then where should I schedule that? Like, do you have a Calendly or something?
Reach out to you and you can ask for an appointment.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Rasanya, you still have questions? Anyone have question for me? Please ask me.
Answer my questions. Underwriting is done by the lender. I think that's what you said, right? Correct?
Right.
Okay, all right. What are the fees when we join? I'm a broker right now. If I join, what are the fees that are involved with the transaction?
The same thing, right? The lender will charge a lender fee of about $1,000.
Okay.
Loan factory will charge two fees.
Two fees.
The fee $595 and $500 processing fee. That's it.
So $595 is for what?
A flat fee, admin fee for loan factory.
Admin fee and then $500 processing.
Yeah, that's all.
And then on top of that, 1099 by the lender. Okay, all right.
The lender charges $1,000. Yeah.
Okay, and then 5 is other than the commission, right? Yeah, or the thing that we have with loan factory, correct?
The $595 is the admin fee for provide you everything. We are flat fee. Yeah.
So when I'm sorry, I might have missed it. You might have said it. So if there is a loan, so my commission, okay, would be that $595. Will you take it out, and then my commission would be the rest of it, correct?
So basically, let's say you have a loan.
Okay.
And the lender pay us $4,000 commission.
Okay.
You will keep 100% minus $595 and $500. So the total is $1,095.
I see. Okay.
This case, you get paid around $2,900.
That 500 we cannot transfer to the to the borrower, correct?
Yeah, I explained earlier, it cannot be transferred to the borrower. So if you want to make it up, you can raise your compensation so that you can make 4,500 instead of 4,000.
Okay, got you. Okay, all right.
Back to the client, yeah.
Okay. You said marketing. There is no charge on you guys. It's free.
Yeah, we help you. We don't charge you. Correct.
Okay, you already answered the company leads. The closing. So you said we have a choice of W-2 and 1099, correct?
Correct.
Okay, so it doesn't matter what state. In Texas, it doesn't.
Texas, you can be 1099 or W-2, up to you.
Okay. And do you have any Farsi speaking?
Yes, we have a lot of speaking.
Okay, all right. And then I believe you do commercial loans too.
Yes, we do all type of loans.
Okay, all right. And perfect. Thank you so much for answering my questions. Daryl, sorry about that.
No, you're good, man. You're good. You had good questions, so appreciate it. So you mentioned before, because I'm also a licensed real estate broker, transitioning over back into the mortgage space. I have previous experience, but it's been a while. You mentioned before that we need to become better loan officers. How does, as someone newer into the or re-entering into the mortgage space, how does Loan Factory help its new clients? I know you have the academy, but what could one expect, to become a better loan officer? How does Loan Factory help facilitate that?
I think it's so easy. I can be confident that I am better than almost all loan officers out there. In whatever I can offer, not many people can offer.
Scared me. Oh my God.
And as you can see, there are so many clients come to me. I don't have to reach out to them. They come to me to apply because I'm better. So if you join Loan Factory, you have everything that I have. The only thing you need to do is embrace it and promote it. Promote what you have to help your clients. If your goal is to help others, you have a better cause. You have better purpose, and it's easier for you to be successful. The consumer can see that. You are not there to make money. You're there to help others. And we have better technology, better pricing, better process, better reputation to help others. And so the biggest thing that I want all of you to have is to have the confidence to go out there and help others, to make a lot of noise, to let people know that if they come to you, they get better benefits than they work with all the loan officers out there.
Yeah. No, thank you. And one more question I do have, because again, I'm real estate broker re-entering into the mortgage space. What's the benefit of joining a brokerage like Loan Factory versus, let's just say, a retail lender like Loan Depot or Guaranteed Rate?
Oh, we are way better than that. You should compare side by side, everything from rate to support to technology, and most importantly, rate and pricing. You can get paid more, and your rate is way better.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Got it. Thank you.
Thank you, Vera. Hey, Nathan.
I got a quick question. Are you going to develop any kind of realtor type of software so we can connect to realtors better?
That's perfect. I showed you earlier that you can track relationship between you and realtor. We are going to roll out a mobile app to help you work with the realtor. So the realtor, let's say they have a lead, they can enter that and you got it, you work on the lead. You and the realtor can see the lead together. You work on the lead and help the realtor. So there's a lot of ways we can help the realtor and help you build that relationship.
Okay. So do you think you'll ever have something that introduces loan officers to realtors, any kind of your own type of program software?
So realtor is just like clients. They look at you. They only work with you if you are a good loan officer. If you are better than others, then they work with you, right? So back to the basics. You have to become a better loan officer if you want a realtor to work with you. They are picky.
I got you.
They are very picky. So you need to be so good. You have to be always available, always pick up the phone, always provide excellent service to the client, give the client the best rate. You know, everything you do is so good that the realtor would love to work with you. And at that point, you have clients to refer back to them as well. Thank you, Nathan.
Thank you.
Hi, Rasanya. Rasanya?
Yes. So I have one question. If I have a friend and I don't have a license in the state, if I refer that borrower to Loan Factory, how does the commission or referral work?
If you don't have a license, generally we cannot pay you. However, if you are a W-2 loan officer, you can refer to Loan Factory and we pay you 50% of the commission. Only if you are W-2. Okay, thank you, Leah. Thank you.
So will it be 50-50 split between the W-2 loan officer as well as the referring loan officer?
You refer to Loan Factory to me. I pay you 50%. Let's see who is next. Parker. Hello, Parker.
Hey, how you doing? Well, I'm hoping you're doing good because you're doing great as far as the presentation goes, and I really appreciate all the great information. I think it's made up in my mind after going through different lenders. I love the dare to compare. That's the best marketing line at Evolve. Good little rhyme there. Anyhow, go ahead. Sorry.
No, go ahead, Parker.
Basically, I don't know if it's a naive question, just because I know 1099 and sometimes you're considered an independent contractor in some cases. The reason I bring it up is because I don't know if it's different if you're W-2. However, any benefits package when it comes to like any 401k or any type of health insurance of that nature, anything like that?
I'm sorry we don't offer that, but I know that Obamacare is even better. It's cheaper to purchase. So I would encourage you to go with Obamacare.
Yeah, sure. And I got
Yeah.
a brother in insurance. So, but yeah, that was just the thing. It's just in this state of my life at this point, it's just like I would like to have maybe a base, or of course maybe a great benefits package in that regard. So this way I didn't have to shuck and jive and do another job while I'm doing this. But at the end of the day, I did have a good recruiter guy. The guy Brian reached out. I know a loan processor possibly has a base or something, so maybe I kind of feel things out or whatever.
Yeah, I'm sorry, we don't have that. But the goal is, if you have client, you have money. If you have money, you have everything. So
that's right. Yeah, that's right.
So you can you can see that we have a lot of Google chat right here. The loan officer chat mastermind. We have a lot of group chat here, where you can see people chatting all the time, and they learn from each other, like marketing here. We have this many members chatting every day, and you can learn from each other. You see, we have a community.
Yes.
You can be part of the community.
That's right. That's exactly what it is. Especially, it reminds me of it might be off on a sidebar, but there's something called Discord out there that it's just like the little different forums that are different categories of topics and thoughts people are talking about. It kind of reminds me of Discord. Anyway, but thank you so much.
Thank you, Parker. Thank you. Daniel. Hi, Daniel.
Hey, Tuan. Mentioned at the Originator Connect this year.
Yes, cool.
I just had a quick question on the pricing engine.
Yes.
When we price out those the rates, like the daily rate for our state, does that have our comp built into that, or is that?
Yes. Okay. It already has 100 BIP included. Thank you. Yeah, I want you to try compare, and if your rate is better, let me know. I would love to know, because I'm confident that my rate is better. My rate are better. Hi, Jenny.
Yeah, hi, Tuan. I just want to let you know that I finally attended your webinar today after meeting you at the Originator Connect in Las Vegas. Thank you.
Thank you.
Webinar.
Thank you. Finally. Hi, Tim.
Oh, okay. Sorry again. The microphone was off. So I met you, I think, in Las Vegas and in Dallas. Well, what times anyhow? So the comp, can we determine the comp? But I heard that you said 100. Okay.
You determine it. You determine the comp. You can change. You can switch the borrow pay and change it between 0 to 250 bit.
Okay. Do we when we when you're a broker, you have to sign every 3 months? You can change it only. No, here no.
Correct. If you are a broker, actually, if you're a broker, in order to change lender pay comp, you have to wait 3 months or so. But with borrow pay, you don't have to wait.
Okay. But if I decide to go with lender pay, do I still sign a contract with you, 2%, 1.5%, or 150, 200?
Yeah. If you join Loan Factory, you will go with Loan Factory comp. So we already signed an agreement with the lender. We cannot change it. So that you cannot change it as well.
Okay. And how much is that? 100?
250.
Oh, 250 on each loan.
Yes, lender pay.
Okay. All right. Perfect. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Nathan, you still have your hand raised? Okay. So you can see that there's a lot that we need to do, correctly if we want to win, right? It's all come down to competition and consumer. They're looking for the best loan officer who give them the best benefit. So if you are not a good loan officer, you cannot compete, you will lose. And in a business, if you keep losing, that's not good for you. So I want you to be in the business that you have to win. You are better. Everything you do is better than your competitor. And at Loan Factory, our slogan is, we dare you to compare. Everything we do, we will do better than our competitors. So when you join Loan Factory, you have everything I have. Everything I've tried so hard for the past 18 years, to make Loan Factory become the best mortgage platform, you have it. So everything I have, you have it. That is my promise, to help you compete, to help you become a better loan officer. So yeah, thank you. So anyway, I hope that you make the decision, and even if you cannot make the decision, that's fine. The switching company is a big decision, and I really want you to think hard. One big problem with most people is we don't like change, and that is not good. Change is good. In anything, change is good. As long as you think hard, you compare, and if it's good for your business, you must take action. So it's not, if your business is not doing well, your company is not helping you, then it's a no-brainer that you should change. That's my advice. You need to work for it. You need to have the company help you so that you can be more successful. You need help. You by yourself, it's very difficult to be successful. There's so many things, all important: the lender, the product, the support, the underwriting, the technology, the pricing. Every little thing is so important. And if your company can help you, who's gonna help you? Yeah. Hi, Tim.
Sorry, another question. If I'm a broker, if I join, can I keep my brokerage name?
Yes,
Okay.
you can.
And then I can have a team under me?
For compliance, the team, you can have a team of loan officer. Yes. Yes, you can have a team of loan officer working together. Yes.
Okay. So they would not be under me. They would not be part of my team, correct? They would be part of.
You have two different structure here. One is your company, one is Loan Factory. So it's up to you to put them under your company or under Loan Factory. It's up to you.
I got you. So I'm a broker, or I'm a on the retail side. Okay. Okay.
We're not retail. We are just like you, but you can have your broker in one state or two states, and the other state under Loan Factory.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Tim. Okay. Thank you, everyone. It's great. It's 2 hours, 20 minutes. That is a long time. But I hope that you learn a lot, right? A lot of information in this section. So thank you. Good luck to you. Reach out to me anytime if you have questions. But we always welcome you. You don't have to join now, but I want you to keep thinking. Okay? Thank you. Thank you. And try to go out there and bring in business. Now is the best time. Try to do that. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks again.
Thank you.